Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open your dataset in Spss and locate the column you want removed. You should know the variable name or index. In Variable View, verify the variable type and any attached labels so you don't delete the wrong field. Once confirmed, switch to Data View if you prefer visual context. Next, click the column header or select the variable row in Variable View to prepare for removal. Make sure you have a backup copy before proceeding to deletion steps. In Variable View, right-click the target variable row and choose Delete to remove the column immediately. This method edits the active dataset. Alternatively, create a safe modified dataset. Use data select cases or transform compute to build a new file without that variable. If you prefer reproducible steps, open a syntax window and run delete variables varname. Once executed, check Data View to confirm the column went away and that dependent variables or labels remain consistent. After deletion, immediately save the dataset under a new name so the original remains intact. This prevents accidental irreversible loss. If the variable still appears, make sure the syntax ran correctly, no open file locks exist, and that you deleted the correct variable name. If you used compute or select, ensure the output dataset was activated. Key troubleshooting: if you accidentally lost data, close without saving and reopen the backup copy. Then repeat deletion carefully with syntax or variable view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.